Get more school sales with this one thing. Now, this is really good if you're doing not over the call and it's low ticket and people are just kind of buying on them with themselves. This is perfect for that. So, if you have a low ticket classroom, let's say $3, $7, and it has a bunch of value in there, if someone buys that, the chances of them buying something else goes up by like 361% if they're new to the platform, because now they have their card on file. So let's say someone joins your community, whether it's the free community, the free community, yeah, and they buy this $3 thing, the chances of them upgrading a tier or going into the paid is significantly higher. So what that $3 thing could be is most of the time not something that you actually have to do, but some sort of information or template or something they can fill out, just as much value that's believable as possible. And this way, you'll get a lot more sales. Ciao.